Ya Allah, we have brothers and sisters that used to make dua with us here, that used to worship alongside us, calling upon you. Ya Allah, we have brothers and sisters that wanted to be close to your masjid and they did not make it to this Ramadan. Ya Allah, let them be close to you. Ya Allah, let them be close to you. Ya Allah, let them be close to you. Ya Allah, grant them shahada. Ya Allah, grant them the fullness of what they intended and more. Ya Allah, grant them the fullness of what they intended and more. Ya Allah, grant them the fullness of what they intended and more. Ya Rabbil Alameen, we ask you to forgive us and to forgive our parents. Allahumma ighfir li walidina, Rabbi irhamhuma kama rabbuna sighara. Oh Allah, forgive our parents. Have mercy on them as they raised us when we were young. Oh Allah, have mercy on our parents. Oh Allah, forgive our parents. Oh Allah, grant them the best of this Ramadan and what comes before it and after. Oh Allah, grant them the best of what they intend and forgive them for any shortcomings. Ya Rabbil Alameen. And oh Allah, we ask you to bless our families. Ya Allah, we ask you to bless our families. Ya Allah, strengthen the marriages in our community. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, put tranquility and peace and harmony in our homes. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Strengthen the relationships and the marriages. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, assist those that are looking for righteous spouses. Ya Allah, allow them to find good companions. Ya Rabbil Alameen. And Ya Allah, allow those that are already married. Ya Rabbil Alameen, put mercy and tranquility between them. Ya Rabbil Alameen. And Ya Allah, we ask you for our children. Ya Allah, protect them with iman. Ya Allah, make them firm upon this faith. Ya Allah, grant them the best of character. Ya Allah, protect their health. Ya Allah, raise them upon the Quran. Ya Allah, raise them upon the Quran. Ya Allah, raise them upon the Quran. Ya Allah, let them surpass us in righteousness and let them be the coolness of our eyes. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, let them surpass us in righteousness and let them be the coolness of our eyes. Ya Rabbil Alameen. And we ask you, O Allah, to cure all of those who are ill. Allahumma shfi mardana wa marda al-muslimin. Oh Allah, cure all of those who are ill. Oh Allah, our brothers and sisters that are here, our family members that are here, those that are abroad, Ya Allah, those that are suffering from illnesses, Ya Allah, cure them fully, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, you are the Shafi, you are the cure, you are the one who heals. Ya Allah, there is no cure except for your cure. Ya Allah, cure all of those that are ailing. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, remove the effects of anything that they are suffering from. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, all of those that are going through a hard time. Ya Allah, all of those that are suffering from various hardships, Ya Allah, we turn to you, and just as we trust in your mercy to remove our sins, Ya Allah, remove our hardships, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, remove our hardships, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, all of those that are unemployed and looking for work, Ya Allah, facilitate for them halal sustenance, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah, all of those who have been slandered and had their reputations harmed, Ya Allah, restore their honor, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Ya Allah,